How are you, everyone? My name is Kirenga Christopher. I'm going to present to you the topic titled Project Procurement Planning Process. Procurement planning is undertaken as part of the program planning process. The primary concept of procurement is that advanced planning, scheduling, and bulk purchasing result in cost savings, efficient business operation, and increased value for money. We are now going to see the project procurement planning importances in project success. 1. Ensures timely delivery of goods and services. Procurement planning helps identify what needs to be procured, when and how. By scheduling procurement activities properly, the project can avoid delays caused by late delivery of materials or services. Secondly, it reduces risks. Procurement planning identifies potential risks related to contracts for vendors and market conditions early on. Thirdly, it helps in cost control and budget management. With a clear procurement plan, the project can estimate costs much lately, negotiate better contracts, and avoid last-minute expensive purchases. Fourthly, it enhances vendor management. Procurement planning allows time to assess and select the best suppliers based on performance, reliability, and cost. Three key steps in a project procurement process. 1. Forecasting. Forecasting, the first and arguably the most important step in the procurement process, because it provides the opportunity to link the procurement plan to the overall business strategy and objectives of the organization. Forecasting. When forecasting, consideration should be given to the following. 1. Defining your procurement requirements, assessing the capacity for implementation, determining the time frame of project implementation. Another one is presenting realistic 3-year budget forecast for project implementation. And another one is seeking approval at the ministerial levels and the Ministry of Finance and Planning. Another one is identifying all items that have to be procured and creating sound financial justification for procurement. Let me invite my colleague Rachel to present the next slides. Thank you.
Thank you. The second step is developing the procurement work plan. In developing a procurement work plan, there are 3 steps. The first one is define the items you need to procure. The second is define the process of acquiring those items. And the third is schedule the time frames for delivery. Depending on the objectives of the agency, a decision would have to be made as to the types of procurement to be undertaken. Depending on the type of procurement to be undertaken, you can define the procurement requirements, identify potential suppliers, contract those suppliers, and manage them to ensure delivery. Overview about procurement plan. At this point in the procurement planning steps, the plan is little more than a strategic vision. However, in most cases, the decision to make or buy products has been established. Most of the procurement efforts occur in the project planning and design phase, and in some cases, decision to procure services may be identified through the planning processes. In procurement planning, here are some key steps. The first step is requirements. Requirement is identifying what goods, services, or works are needed. Activities involved in requirements are defining scope, technical specifications, and budgets. The second step is requisition. Requisition is internal requests for products, internal requests to procure the identified needs. Activities involved are submissions of a purchase requisition form, approval, and budget confirmation. We have also solicitation. Solicitation is process of inviting suppliers to bid or submit proposal. We have also selection. Selection is evaluation and choosing of suppliers or vendors. We have also contract administration. Contract administration is managing the contract and supply performance. And the last step is closeout. Closeout is finalizing all procurement activities. Activities involved in closeout are deliverable verification, final payment, and lesson learned. Thank you very much. Let me invite Makiri.
Thank you. We choose to work on a procurement plan of our company, which is Volcanic Stone Company Limited, which is a Rwandan-based company specializing in extraction, processing, and distribution of high-quality volcanic stone for construction and infrastructure development. With a strong commitment to sustainability and innovation, the company serves both local and regional markets, supplying durable building materials sourced from Rwandan volcanic regions. This is the procurement plan for our company in this year of 2025-2026. In a description, we have tendering or tender description. We have estimated quantity or estimated unit price and estimated total budget or total amount. In our description, we plan to purchase goods, service, and work subcontracting. Now, in our goods, we plan to purchase. We have laptops for sales department. We have promotion materials and branding. We have company vehicle tires. We have fuel for company vehicles, and so on and so forth. For services, we'll plan to hire wheel loader and excavator. We plan to hire a farm to breed a capacity for our staff, the sports services activity for staff. For works, we plan to repair our office furnitures, the repair and maintenance of stone processing machines, repair of maintenance of our building or the company building, so on. So the total estimated budget is around 300 million Rwandan francs, and the source of the budget will be internal, will be company revenue. The fund will be from company revenue. With the tendering method, we'll use there are 4 types of tendering method. One will be request of a quotation. Another will be like this, purchasing a fuel for company vehicle. We'll use national structured tendering. We'll be using single source for wheel loader and excavator, and so on. So for a plan also, we have a very good plan of tendering document preparation dates. The dates are planned. We've been July. For purchasing and for goods and services, we've been July. Planned date of publication will be also in July. And for works will be on October 2025. Planned bid opening date will be on August. And planned the provisional notification date will be in September. Planned contract signing date also will be in September. And planned contract management signing or start date in September also, 2025. The contract will end in 2026 in September. The company the supervision firms are not needed, and the responsible person or the responsible department are also planned. The IT department, marketing department, tender committee, engineering department are all in place. So, in conclusion, a procurement plan is a vital tool for ensuring the successful implementation of a project, as it outlines how necessary goods, service, or works will be acquired efficiently and cost effectively. It promotes transparency, accountability, and timely delivery by clearly defining what needs to be procured, when, how, and by who. As well, structured procurement plan minimize risks such as delay, cost overrun, and quality issues, while enhancing coordination among stakeholders and ensuring compliance with procurement regulations. Ultimately, it plays a crucial role in achieving project goals by ensuring that the right resources are available at the right time and cost. Thank you so much.